So your washing machine's not dispensing water and oil is trickling out. Usually that's because it's either a blocked filter or you have a bad water inlet valve. I'll show you how to change it. If your washing machine isn't draining, we need to take a look at your water inlet valve. On the back of your washing machines, you have two valves right here. You have two hoses going to it, cold and a hot. And sometimes what you're going to find is as it says, it called it the filter. The filter could be clogged up for whatever reason. It'll get clogged up. So it's the second time I've had this happen. It's crappy water or just stuff that's in my pipes. They're not hard to change. I don't have anything hooked into my cold, I just run hot, but they're not hard to change. I'll show you the diagram right here. First you want to disconnect your power and your water and your drain line. Then you want to take and get a nut driver and remove the screws off the back panel. You'll be able to see where the water inlet valve is, shown above 37 there. It has a plastic tab that you push in from the back panel and you lift it up and it pulls right out. So then you see in the diagram, you see what you need to take off and whatnot and stick apart. There's a couple of wire connections you need to do to get to. These are only like 20 bucks, 25 bucks on Amazon. There could be multiple issues with these things. Like I said, it could be this. So if you're going to take and try to clean this out, shut your water lines off for your cold and your hot. Disconnect this. These pull out with a pair of pliers. Clean it out, stick it back in. If it's not dirty, then you're going to have to completely replace this. If those are clean, it could be just there's a temperature sensor inside here to let you know if it's too hot, if it's too cold. These are electronic valves, the solenoids that would turn on a valve in and out. It rotates or it pushes it in and out. This could go bad as well. But yeah, hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.